and go really gentle. When you go at like a 4 RPM, you should be fine. Just hold one of your fingers. It either you hold on the tip, it doesn't matter, just hold right on the tips. And you don't have to really like aggressive with it, and go gentle to remove all of the excess gel tip extension, just in case it don't. When you get that, remember I shared earlier, don't get like freak out and leap it up and try to change it, because it's key under the flashlight LED flashlight is will not, it's gonna even make it worse. And if you leave it up, it's gonna get air pockets, it will never gonna go back again. So if you have a little bit extra gel, do not worry, especially when you're doing it for the left hand. I mean left for the right hand, which is I'm a right-handed. So like doing it for your dominant hand. So turn really gentle, like a 4,000 RPM. You should be fine. And it's removed really nicely. Can I get my brush? I think I have it all out there. And right in the station out there, you can see the cute crystal brush. That's on it better. And I'm moving on the next one. I'm using one of my fingers. If you're using your pinky or using your ring fingers, however you feel comfortable with, okay? And then just holding it really about 45-degree angle. You don't want to do 90-degree angle. It's gonna cut. It's gonna give you a lot of really aggressive pressure. So you're gonna doing like a 45-degree angle, really gentle, and do it at 4,000 RPM.
That's 4 or that's 4,000?
It's 4,000. Don't go in 10 or 20 or 30. It's too aggressive. Go really gentle. You know what? It just be patient. When you're doing it, just be patient, because the process is going to take the same time. Sometimes we think that if we're like doing it quick, faster, it's going to make it faster. Actually, it's not. So then you're going to make yourself really frustrated. Okay, good, right? You know what? I'm just saying it like that. But if I'm not doing it live, I'm only using other file and say, boop, 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 done. But when you keep yourself a couple of times, you get a hang of this, you will like do whatever you want. You can do like, Nancy, I'll get a 6,000 RPM. It's good, you know? You know how you're doing it. I don't want you feel frustrated about this. It's supposed to be fun. Supposed to be super quick, simple, and easy. It's supposed to be as fun. If you are doing it for yourself, it should not cause any of it's like a therapy. So I'm gonna do it again for the next nails again. "45-degree." You can hear that is the speed that I'm doing. But hey, if you are like getting hang of it, and you can do a 6,000 is good. It's just like it go faster. That's the best way to do, because it's not going to leap at all. It's already really going well with this. Sorry. Thank you, babe. Last time I did, and I did it really quick. Bam, 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 bam. Even my left hand, my right hand, I said, oh my gosh, I forgot I go live to show you how easy it is, because it's easy to say than doing it. But literally it take me less, because the other nails is a almonds medium. It's shorter, it's even faster. And after I done it, I said, oh my god, I forgot. So this time I remember, I put in my note, I put in my head, I said I'm going to do live, might as well, I'm going to see you. Because I'm going to do my nails anyway, I can't get them to be naked. I'm going to move on to the pinky. I love this so much. The hands piece is so light. And it's no vibration, is so quiet. It doesn't make like crazy noises. That's it. Go along with the cuticle. So for a lot of you who are doing it for the clients, if you're using an e-file and you can use e-file. Okay, so now I'm using this side for our lot of Glitz Babe DIYs at home. So all the cuticle are cleaning up really well. Looks good. Okay, so now I'm going to the next one. I'm gonna using this one for a lot of you who is doing for your clients. I'm gonna change is you are doing ceramics. With this tips, you using ceramics or arbor band is perfect. Either medium or fine is great. You don't want to do coarse, but you also don't want to extra coarse. It's too aggressive. So I'm gonna turn it to back into not reverse anymore. Now it's forwards, right? So we're doing it 4 or 5. And then you're gonna go 45-degree angle. And turn the fingers at the same time. Like literally, you pretty much don't have to do much anymore because it doesn't have extra ones. I really like want to share this. This is really super easy. Just keep it in mind. Do me a favor, don't just have to rush with this because the whole entire process after you prepped and a base gels and application is only take less than 15 minutes. I did few sets for you to see already, and then it's under like a live video and I talk to, and I still able to do it, not because I'm trying to do it fast forward, just I can show you I even do slow and talk to you too, and take 15 minutes after you prepping. So no reason to doing really fast and then squeeze it down and then lip it up. Then it's gonna be more chance of the knitting. That's pretty much like that. And then I'm gonna, if you want to buff the cuticle to make the cuticle is like looks more smooth, but you again do not buff too smooth. You don't want to get your surface of the nails too smooth. If it do, what it does, the gels will not gonna adhere properly. It will not adhere to the really smooth surface. I just buff into the excess of whatever left I want to remove. All right. Cleaning up part.